Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. JMPD officers conducted a night operation at Kotse and Banket Street, Hillbrow, Ward 63, focusing on crime prevention by law enforcement and the removal of contraband to restore safety and order across the inner city. Ave kungijabulisa ukubona amaphoyisa ezikhandle sebenza ubusuku nemini ukulwa necrime. Kodwa ngiyazibuza ukuthi ayisekhuthala kangaka manje. Sonke lesikhathi abethuleleni. Sonke nje lesikhathi. Ngiyazi ukuthi njengoba ebhizi kanje amaphoyisa ahamba no-MMC we-Public Safety ku-Dr. Mgcini Mtshwako obuya lapha ku-EFF. Zathi senza ukuthi ngithi sonke lesikhathi bowathuleleni ukuthi le ndawo abasebenza kuyase-Hillbrow indawo eyaziwayo ukuthi ayikho safe. Akukhathalekile ukuthi kusemini noma kusebusuku kodwa nje ayikho safe. So ingakho ngizibuza ukuthi amaphoyisa mayisesenza manje ngoba phela ukuba ayisebenza kanje kusuka kudala ngabe nezigebengu ziyazi ukuthi akudlalelwe eHillbrow. EHillbrow bahamba khona funa umayinde indaba zakho ugade ifoni yakho ngoba bangayithatha whether kusemini whether kunini futhi ke abantu la eGoli abasizana. Uma wehlelwa inkinga nje ibe ubhekana nayo wena wedwa. Ngeviki eliphelile ukhansela Mlungisi Mabaso owe-MMC we-Informal Settlement makayodiliza imkhukhu lapha eDenver. Ufike wathola ukuthi kuyo lemkhukhu kunemgodi engena iyoxhumana nemgodi le yabozamazama. Okusho ukuthi labozamazama bafike baqashe la babeka umkhukhu bese bemba lapha endlini ukuze behambele emgodini. Uma uhamba phandle awuboni ukuthi la kunemayini. Namuhla ke kunepost engiyibonile. Ngaphambi bangifunda i-article yakhona ngicela ukukucaphunela ivideo bese ngeke sizofunda i-article yakhona.
We're here now in Boysen place where we got a tip-off again on an activity where the Zamazamas are refining gold. Here's the gold as you can see it here. This was a breakthrough from the K9 unit from JMPD. Sterling work with the guys. We let the other guy that we arrested with the 7 cops last week, we let him go, but we put a tail on him to check his activities. And then he led us to the breakthrough into this place here. So this place, this is where they refine gold. Remember this carbon refining material that we got from the police last week? So they were taking it here to this place. So this is what they do. They refine the gold. So you've got the DPCI that is here, that is helping us with the docket. The Zamazamas that were here today, that were coming to sell the raw material that is going to be refined to make gold. So this is the plant that is here. Yeah, this plant that they use to really refine this gold. This gold is plus minus 100,000. So it has been booked in sets. And this is the refining material that we got from the South African Police Service, 7 police South African guys last week. So excellent work from the JMPD K9 unit. Good work. Good work, guys. So this is the place. So as I told you that the guys are working very hard to ensure that any criminal syndicate that deals with the minerals, or what we're trying to do is to ensure that we cut the supply chain of the Zamazamas. Because the Zamazamas, they go to underground and they go and then they come to companies like this to come and sell. There's these raw materials, especially gold, to refine it and then sell it on the black market and all of that. So this price here probably is a price for the black market. We don't know probably how much will it cost in the open market where they will send it to the other guy that will take it forward. and clean it.
Isizathu esokwenza ukuthi ozamazama bengawuyeki lo msebenziso lesi. Can you imagine ukuthi le piece encane nje ayiphethe uDr Mgcini Ntshwako la yenza 100,000 rand. 100,000 rand. Laba bangena emgodini baphume nenhlabathi bayifake kule nto lezi ezispinayo kuthiwa amaphenduka. Bayifake kulezo zinto lezi kuthiwa amaphenduka igayeke ibe inhlabathi bese kuba yile esiyesigayekile njengale ebanjwe namaphoyisa ngeviki eliphelile. Bese iyasuka ke iza lapha ezofika iphekwe khona ibe yigolide. Ngeke ke labantu bahambe uma bekwazi ukwenza imali engaka. Futhi ngoba i-JMPD le efike manje ayidlala kuyona le abayijwayele. Kodwa kube kufike lamaphoyisa abawajwayele ngabe bakhipha intshontsho njengasemhleni baphume ezinkingeni. Sizokhumbula ukuthi ngaleli yaviki kuLwesihlanu kwakumhla ka-17 if I'm not mistaken. kuLwesihlanu i-JMPD yathola i-tip off mayelana nemoto kanti semzini wendoda ewu-kingpin ezamazama. Afika amaphoyisa ayibopha leyo ndoda leyo. Athe amaphoyisa amayiphuma ngebhayili ngolwesibili, ngolwesithathu ayebanjwa amaphoyisa ukuthi a-transport lo nenhlabathi yozamazama. Ayisusa la bayisusa khona bayilethe kule ndawo njengoba esho nje uDr Mgcini Ntshwako ukuthi bamiyekile base beyabalandelela ukuthi benze njani. Siyawuncoma kumsebenzi omkhulu nomsebenzi omuhle ngoba lo achievement enkulu kabi le. Yikho nje ukuthi phela ngoba siphila kwi-South Africa nje ebuswa i-corruption futhi ejele kuhlala abantu abangenamali nabantu abahluphekile. Inkinga yase-South Africa nje leyo ukuthi ejele kuhlala abantu abangenamali nabantu abahluphekile.
Currently here is a disruptive operation. As you can see here, it's a surface mining. It's not like underground. So we're dealing with it on a lower level. Yesterday, we were in a Primrose with a massive operation with members of the South African National Defence Force and Department of Mineral Resources and Energy, and of course our other law enforcement, including the Metro Police, where we managed to get unlicensed firearm on that space. And of course we arrested 43 people for the issues of illegal mining and of course undocumented. We further arrested over 130 illegal immigrants, and as such, Home Affairs processed them, and then they finally sent them to their respective countries. So, on the other hand, there's level 3 upwards, which you deal with, I will say, bigger fishes, where you focus on the organized crime, of which our well-known, directorate as the Hawks, which is Directorate for Priority Crime and Investigation. They focus on those.
Lo video qeda ukuyibona eyango 2023. Uma ngingakuxoxela ukuthi namhlanje kuyo le ndawo babegasele kuyo iyaqhubeka yona lento yozamazama nase Primrose. Mayithe Primrose usho kule mkhukhu engapha kwase Primrose kuthiwa kaMakhouse isaqhubeka futhi yona lemsebenzi wozamazama. Asiyibambe le video. Bengizama nje ukukuvezela ukuthi amaphoyisa alwa nayo namhlanje kusasa iqhubeke yona lento. Kodwa nje inhloso yami bengukuthi ngikuvezele umsebenzi omuhle wenziwe iJMPD nokuthi alilandelela azafike kwi-refinery lapho inhlabathi efinalizwa khona kuze kuphume sekuyigolide. Ngicela ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ushare, ulike, comment. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwi-video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.